Hello. Parshas Reeh begins with the following pasuk: Reeh nosin lifnechem hayom brachu klala. Hashem's giving us a choice of the derech bracha or the derech klala, which means, as we would assume this means, that if you do the mitzvos, then you're zocheh to get a bracha, and Hashem will give you a bracha in your life. If a person chas v'shalom does aveiros, then he'll end up with the klala. That's what the first pasuk sounds like, and that's also what the third pasuk sounds like. When the Torah talks about the klala, the Torah writes, "V'haklala im lo tishmu el mitzvos Hashem elokechem," etc. The klala is, if you don't listen to the Hashem and don't do the mitzvos, then you will receive the klala from Hashem. However, if you look at the second pasuk in the parasha, so it's not written exactly in that way. The pasuk says, "Es habracha asher tishma'u el mitzvos Hashem elokechem." The bracha is that you listen to the mitzvos of Hashem. The Torah doesn't say the bracha is if you listen to the mitzvos, then you get the bracha. The Torah says the bracha is that you will listen to the mitzvos of Hashem. So the various mefarshim made this diuk, and they noticed that the Torah doesn't write like a t'nai, a condition. If you do the mitzvos, then you get a bracha. So what's the meaning of this idea that the bracha is that you will listen? So I saw that Rav Moshe Feinstein Zatzal in the Sefer Darash Moshe explains as follows. From this pasuk we learn a major yesod in Jewish hashkafa, that when a person does the mitzvos and serves Hashem, it's not just that when you do the mitzvos, you get reward, you get schar. But serving Hashem itself, doing the mitzvos itself, in and of itself is a bracha from Hashem. A person who serves Hashem, a person who's over Hashem, tends to have a happier, more fulfilled life. Let's say a person, wants to make a good living, to make a parnasa. So a person who's serving Hashem realizes that he has money in order to be able to serve Hashem. So therefore, if he has a little less money, as long as he has enough to serve Hashem pretty well, he's going to be happy. Eizu ashir hasameach b'chelko. A person who is an Oved Hashem and serves Hashem well, does the mitzvos, is more likely to feel this Eizu ashir, who is happy, one who is content with that which he has, sameach b'chelko. And in general, Rav Moshe writes that a person who lives a life of avodas Hashem and serves Hashem has a more fulfilled life, and he's happier with the general life that he has been given by Hashem. That's the meaning of the pasuk. Es habracha. The bracha is that you will listen. Not just that when you listen to Hashem you get other reward, but the listening to Hashem itself, doing the mitzvos in and of itself is part of the bracha from Hashem, and it's something we should appreciate. The lesson for us from this pasuk is that when it comes to doing mitzvos, we should appreciate the very fact that we can serve Hashem well. It's not just that Hashem will give us reward, but the fact that we're over the Hashem and we serve Hashem in and of itself is a bracha. It gives us, it allows us, it produces for us, it allows us to have a happier, more fulfilling life. That's the idea that Rav Moshe explains based on the second pasuk in Parshas Reeh.